Today we're looking at how to use Reels to drive bookings. This is the Cave Canterbury, and they want to drive bookings to their restaurant at the hotel. And what they've done is they have done what I would describe as that kind of food porn, if you like, or that M&S effect to create a reel to show off the stunning views of their food. So let's take a little look at it. So as you can see by that kind of M&S effect, so everybody knows what the M&S adverts are like, with that kind of, everything's all very luxurious, all of the food looks incredible. They've got the really soft-spoken voice to kind of entice you in. And that is what people do with food on Instagram. And it's one of the best ways of selling food, if you like, or selling your experience. So they show the difference between their Sunday roast, if you like, and going anywhere else. And it clearly packs a punch, and it's all about framing. So when you're thinking about, showing off your food, how can you show it off like this? Show off the atmosphere, show off how delicious it is, what the experience is. And some of it is literally just by angles, by holding your phone over the food, as opposed to, like sort of just taking a picture from the side or anything like that. It really does just give it like extra sort of gravitas on social media. Now, if I was these guys, one of the things I'd want to do is make sure that I was engaging as much as I could, maybe with my suppliers, because that would drive a lot more engagement and also just keep them happy. So I would go to maybe go to engage, and I would create a group. So here I've created one that just says food and drink, but it would maybe be suppliers, and it might be who they get the beef from, who they get the everybody from, like the condiments from, who do they get the, even their team, is there anyone that's outsourced? What are who are the suppliers of their vegetables? Is it a local organic farm, for example? And then what you would do is add them in as a group, and then in here you would get all of their latest posts, and then you can start to like, you can start to comment, you can start to share, and then the suppliers feel little bit of love, and then they're much more likely to share you as well, which might drive new people to your feed. Now, as always, if you've got any questions at all, click on the little blue button. We'd love to help.